Okie dokie, we are ready to start drawing our Greek figures. Before we start, we're going to do some blind contours. You're going to use a pencil, but I'm going to start with, I'm going to use a Sharpie so that you can see. And I'm going to fold my paper in 4 pieces, or twice, so I make quarter sheet, 1/4, 1/2, and then fold. So, fold in half twice, so I have a quarter sheet. I'm going to write my name, my first and last name, and my hour. Then I'm going to open the page and sandwich my hand in between so I cannot see my paper. I don't want to see what's on the paper. This is a blind contour. Oh, we need to write that on the front too. Blind. B-L-I-N-D, contour, C-O-N-T-O-U-R. Right, then I'm going to situate my hand in between the 2 pieces of paper. I don't want to look at my hand. Whatever's on my paper is really not going to matter. Okay, now I'm looking at the drawing. I'm going to draw this guy here, and he, I believe, is a satyr. Oh, is a centaur. A centaur here. And I'm going to pretend that the end of my pencil, marker, is attached to the end of my eye. So everywhere my eye goes, my pencil is going to move simultaneously. That's going to teach me good hand-eye coordination. So, hand in between, I'm going to just go over every single line that I see. The face may not line up. The face is definitely not going to line up, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. What I'm doing right now is I'm really looking. People say that they know how to look at things, but really, we go a lot from our memory. We use our memory a lot. We rely on our memory a whole lot. So here you're not using your memory. You're going to leave your pencil touching. Once you put your pencil down, leave it down. If you've gone over every single line, then you go over it again. So we are going to do several blind contours. If you go off the page, I feel like mine's going off the page. I think I'm drawing on my table right now. If you go off the page, if your lead breaks in your pencil, it doesn't really matter. Alright, there's my work of art. Crazy, I know, it's very crazy. It doesn't matter what's on the paper. So, after each one, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to laugh, and then you're going to stop laughing, because then we're going to move on. Okay, so get your first one ready. Let's actually go ahead and get your paper all ready. Take your piece of paper now. Right now. Go ahead, get your paper. Get your paper. Put your paper in your hand. Okay, good. Pass out the paper. All right. Fold it in half, hamburger style. Again, hamburger style. You're going to have quarter sheets here. And then we're going to open it up and we're going to label it. So we don't really need to open it. With your name, your first and last name, and your hour. Then we're going to make 5 different spaces. The first one is going to be a 3-minute blind contour. Go ahead and write your first one, 3-minute blind contour. Put on the first space. Then find a fresh space and just turn your paper around. Next one's going to be a 2-minute blind contour. B-L-I-N-D-C-O-N-T-O-U-R. 2-minute blind contour. Next one is a 1-minute blind contour. B-L-I-N-D contour. C-O-N-T-O-U-R. Nice handwriting I have, huh? So we've got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have to write on the other side here. So we got 1 minute. Next one is 30 seconds. Blind contour. 30-second blind contour. This one's going to be uber fast. And then the last one, 15 seconds. Blind contour. C-O-N-T-O-U-R. 15 seconds. Okay. Get your labels written down. You've got your name, your first and last name on it. Need one with your first and last name, one labeled 3-minute blind contour, 2-minute blind contour, 1-minute blind contour, 30-second blind contour, and 15-second blind contour. All right, get your paper ready. I'm going to time you. When the buzzer rings, you have to stop. Until the buzzer rings, do not stop drawing. Go over the same lines, go over lines that you've already done, but do not stop until the buzzer rings. All right, get your paper ready. First one, 3-minute blind contour. Get your hand situated so that you're drawing on that page. It's okay if the words are upside down. Just, you cannot see your hand.